Hi everyone, I'm happy you come back again to my channel. These are the last days of 2021. The weather is really cold outside on these days, so I used it as an inspiration. I make a greeting card from a beautiful paper which pattern reminds me like frozen leaves. Under this there is a basic color paper which have pretty leaf pattern made with embossing folder. For this project I used double-sided blue tape and foam tape to stick the pieces together. During my work, I like to use the remaining pieces. So, for example, in this case, the blue paper is a leftover piece, and the little leaves in the last few steps are also remaining from an earlier project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Now sit back, relax and enjoy my video. Thank you for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time, bye bye!